Should have went to the drive-thru. Good morning, lovely people, or afternoon, or whenever you're watching this. So welcome back to another vlog. My name is Alexis Hope. If you're new, if you are returning, hey lovely. I have not did this in a hot minute. I have not been down to the waterfront. Are people throwing that away? I think so. I have not been down to the waterfront to walk, and it's starting to rain. It is starting to rain. And I just left the house. I live 2 minutes away, and it's starting to pour. But let me sit down and give you guys the rundown. I literally came out here prepared and everything to walk. But today I have to go to Walmart when I leave here. I'm starving, so I'm going to Starbucks. Starving. Pure starving. And I have a class to take today for Canva, to learn Canva. I'm pretty good. I'm getting better at my thumbnails, stuff like that. You know what I mean? But this is the intermediate class, so I think this will be good. This will help. It's doggies. Please don't park here and get out and run at me. But I'm doing that today. You guys just missed the bird dipping into the water to get the fish. But so I'm gonna finish walking. I'm gonna walk all the way down, although it's, you know, starting to rain, and then I'm gonna come back up. I look a hot mess, but I couldn't stay out there long. I couldn't, because it's freezing outside. It's like 50 degrees and it's raining. I'm not trying to die. Not like that. Not that way. So I'm gonna go to Walmart. I have to go to Walmart. I probably won't take you guys into Walmart because I'll be in there for like 2 seconds. I just have to do something, and then I'm going to go to Starbucks and get my food. It's almost 9 o'clock. For some ungodly reason, I've been up since 6. For absolutely no reason. Oh, wow, you just gonna run that red. For absolutely no reason. So I'm gonna do Walmart, and I'm gonna go home and clean, because I have a clean with me video. I don't know if I'm gonna post it or not. Like, my house was filthy. It took me 2 days to clean, mainly because I was playing around, just being me. But it took me 2 days to clean. I don't know if I'm gonna post it or not. Comment down below if you guys want to see a clean with me. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know. I'm sitting on it still. But I'm super excited about the class that I'll be taking. It's at the college. Now, if you guys are in North Carolina and you have a small business center, you guys have access to the classes that I do, that I'm taking. And truth be told, even if you are not in North Carolina, it's a small business center of North Carolina. If you can get in there and get on the website, see the online classes, you can take the classes too. There's no like certificate, it's just one night. couple of hours. But it's just, you know, teaching you different things. The class I'm going to it happens to be in person. Woo, these cars are coming up on me fast and I'm already speeding. What is everybody's problem? But I am taking this as seated. It's for 3 hours. It's about Canva. Got my laptop. I got a brand new Lord, he is flooring it. And we're flooring it to a red light. All right, bud. Flooring it to a red light. But here we go with the so I've lost my train of thought. What are you doing? Flooring it to a red light. Wow. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. But if you guys have a small business center, you are able to take the classes that I'm taking. And if anybody is curious as far as where this bad boy is from, I'm loving it. It's from Temu, and I'm in love with it. So I did the video on that. I actually got to go to the mailbox to get out of the mail some more stuff from Temu, because I am a Temu partner. Yes, I'm a Temu influencer. So they sent me some things. I have to get that out of the mailbox, and I'm gonna do that today. I've already passed the house, so I'm gonna do that on my way coming down. Go to the mailbox to get that out, and I'm gonna probably do a video probably the end of this month, because I don't want to put too many Temu videos up. And yeah, the end of this month. But they were nice enough to, you know, send me some things. At Walmart, I'm out, and like I said, there was nobody in there. When I was working there, it was packed. I don't know, I'll bring the people, I guess. Headed to Starbucks so I can go home. It's 9:16. I can go home. I'll probably, come on. I got a laptop, like I said, a brand new laptop last night, and I still have to figure out what's going on with it. I got to set things up. It has a bunch of updates that it needs to do. I've never seen a new laptop needing a bunch of updates like that. Never. But nonetheless, I'm going to do that. I gotta do laundry. You guys I won't pick you guys up until probably when I'm headed out to go to the college, and I'm not sure what I can film. I doubt I can film anything, to be honest with you. I doubt I'll have time to film. But yes, so that's what we're gonna do. I didn't mean to come this way, me talking and not paying attention. It's all good, it's all good. I didn't mean to come this way though. Should have went to the drive-thru. Dang! I was in it for like 20 minutes. Because I can see the time on here, and let me see. Okay, so I was in it for about 10 minutes. Ooh. They are swamped. Nobody's in Walmart, but they're all here over here at the Starbucks. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, that line, that mobile line, oh my goodness, the line for the drive-thru is wrapped around. I gotta get out. What y'all doing? So I'm headed home now. I'm gonna clean. I need to wash my dishes because I kind of like to eat and cook, and it's kind of hard when you have no dishes. I don't know who be using my dishes. I don't know who be eating my food. I don't know who it is, but somebody better get them. Y'all better get them. I'm finally early for once. It is 1:40. I'm gonna keep saying, if I keep looking at my phone, It is 1:40. Starts at 2 o'clock. I'm early for once. I'm leaving the house. I live like 5 minutes away. Whew, we gonna make it, thank God. I got a habit of being late lately. I don't know what it is. I mean, I used to not be that girl, but now I am. And I started getting ready at like 12:30. I just got to put on my lipstick. But I'm still drinking my drink, and I don't want lipstick stains on my drink, on my straw. So, here we go. Don't know what I could film, how much I am ashy. Good God. Let's go. I'm out. Oh, let me turn my radio down. So I'm out of class, and I'm so sorry I didn't film nothing, but y'all, it was awesome. It was awesome. It was awesome. The teacher of the class, I just had a 20-minute conversation with her. She used to be a social media manager. She just got rid of her last client because, baby, she doing her own thing. She doing it big. She's awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. You guys might see on Instagram, you guys might see the video. We took some photos as well. But I'm going to get out of here. And I didn't put y'all on no tripod or nothing, because I'm irresponsible like that. And my brakes are squeaking. Oh, but yeah, not me sitting here holding this good camera. Yes, come through, come through. Passing BLET, the BLET building, the basic law enforcement training building. Hey guys, but today was awesome. I learned so much. I learned so much about Canva. I learned so much about how to just do simple things like market my business. And the teacher, she's just great. There was another class she had taught 90 days, how to do 90 days worth of content. And I'm so sorry that I missed that. I look really good. I look really good. But I missed it. And today definitely made up for it. So that was awesome. That was great. I gotta go to my mom's house right now, but after that I'm headed home. It's 5:22 and it's pitch black outside. I hate it here. Well folks, good rainy morning. It is Sunday. Guess where I'm dressed to go? Wait for it. Hold on, wait for it. Church. I talked to a friend of mine. He calmed me down. He made me look at it from a different angle. And then I was telling him everything that I know, and he was like, nope, it's time to jump ship. But by then I was dressed. So, and not to mention I have to pick somebody else up to take them. Still debating whether or not this is worth my time. Let me put y'all on the tripod. Hold on. Alright, I'm headed to Beaufort right now because that's where the person that I'm picking up, they live at. I am not a big fan of having to drive in the rain across the big bridge. I am not a fan of this. Here we go though. And it's pouring. I'm not really a fan of having to leave the house in the rain and the cold in general, but to go stare at somebody who I know is a false prophet, it's only a matter of time before everybody else sees it. Because a few of us have. That's why we no longer want to go. And a couple of them don't go. But I wasn't going, but he called and asked whether or not I can take him to church, if he can catch a ride with me. So yeah, sure. What a day, guys. I am back from church. I don't know where I left off at, and I don't know. What a day. It is now, church got out at like 11:30. It is now 4:01. Oops, bad vlogger. No, but really, like, we just went and ate, and it's super weird for me to pull out my camera. Like, it was just me and the guy who I went to church with, my mama's cousin. I guess he would be mine too, but my mama's cousin, you know, because I took him to church. So it was just us two, and we had a whole good conversation and everything. It's just weird to pull out my camera and be like, hey, let me record this real quick. it's super weird. So I didn't do any of that. But after that, I went to my aunt's house and catched her up on how church went, what we did at church. But I'm here at the coffee shop right now, and they are packed. There was nobody on the road coming here, but it looks like there's everybody here at Panera Bread. I don't know what that's about. But about to go in there. I gotta work on my website. Because I apparently was told that if I didn't have a website, I'm not a real social media manager. So let's work on that. I really hope that the table I want is available. The one that has the charger. It seems like there's only one table with the charger. So just my luck with as many people that's in here, it's not. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I got a plan on tomorrow. I go to work, but tomorrow's gonna be crazy, by the way. But it's all good. It's all good. I'm gonna plan everything out. So I'm out of Panera Bread. Tell me why this drink right here, this is the mango tea. They no longer sit it out, or you can get it yourself. That's because they've had some lawsuits. It has a lot of caffeine in it, and apparently I've been guilty of this too. People will come here, just sit here and drink it and have heart attacks because of the caffeine. So you have to go back there and get it now. Sucks, but I get it. And not to mention, oh, that's loud. Not to mention, if it's that bad to where you have to lounge it out to people, you might not need to sell it at all. But yeah, when I went out there, the girl was up there and I was like, you guys don't have my drink anymore. Like, that's your coffee takes me to the bathroom. And yeah, where's the mango? She was like, well, we got it in the back. We have to go back there and we have to give it to you. I guess maybe also like they won't give it to minors and things like that. Probably. But alright, you guys, so thank you so much for taking the time to watch my boring vlog, because I'm pretty sure that's what it was. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next one, and I'm gonna try my best to get videos out twice a week, because what? Y'all deserve that. Y'all are awesome. I fucks with y'all. But I'm gonna try twice a week. We'll see how that goes. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.